Welcome to Goomi Studios Plus, your on-demand wellness hub with over 400 classes designed to keep employees moving, breathing, and feeling their best. With the Goomi Unlimited video library, the full Les Mills collection, and Zumba collection, there's something for everyone. Whether it's a 5-minute stretch between meetings,
and we're going to hold this for 1 minute,
or a full 60-minute workout.
Now, I don't know about you, but I'm ready for a workout.
Employees can choose what fits their schedule, anytime, anywhere. From yoga and meditation to strength, stretch, and cardio, our ever-growing library supports every body and ability level. And with the new content added regularly, there's always something to explore. All of Goomi's live classes also take place right here on Studios Plus, making it easy for employees to join sessions in real time. Plus, every live session is recorded, giving employees the flexibility to participate live or on their own time, all in one convenient place. Best of all, it's one flat rate for unlimited access across your entire company. No per-user fees, no limits. This is Goomi Studios Plus, wellness that's flexible, fun, and built for everyone.